Please remember, whether you are at school, in the gym, or at home, our first rule will always be to be safe as you are participating. Thank you.
Hey there, and welcome to another activity session with your physical education teachers. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the underhand roll or bowling skill. Some supplies that you might need for today are a pair of balled up socks. Okay, a tennis ball would work great if that's for a safe spot, or maybe you're outside, or any other type of softball would work too. Other supplies you might want to get are some sort of shoe or something you could put down to mark a line. All right, and then a couple of empty water bottles. If you want to go ahead and pause your video and go grab some of those supplies and come on back. All right, we're back again with another physical education activity focusing on that underhand roll. All right, today you're going to need that shoe, something to mark a starting line or a spot that you're going to roll from behind, that ball of socks, and 3 cups. 3 plastic cups, solo type cups, not mom's nice china. All right, we're going to come on up here. We're going to take our cups and we're going to make a 3 stack. That means 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Every time I hit my cups, I'm going to earn 3 points. If I don't hit any of the cups, no points. Then I'm going to set it back up in that 3 stack, jog back behind my shoe. 2 mountain climbers I got to do before I earn my next roll. Okay? I'm going to have 30 seconds on the clock, and we're going to see how many points I get in 30 seconds. Remember, to earn a roll, I got to do 2 mountain climbers. All right? I roll. If I hit the cups, 3 points. I set that 3 stack back up. I come on back and I roll again. At the end of 30 seconds, we'll see how many points I have. All right, let's put 30 seconds on the clock. Feet together, ball and down the hand. Remember, step with that opposite foot. Get low and roll. Here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Oh, no points, no points. I did not hit them. I got to do my 2 mountain climbers. 1, 2. I got it. That's 3 points. 3 points. Set up, back, on up. 2 more mountain climbers. 1, 2. Feet together. Get low and roll. Ooh, I got them. 3 plus 3 is 6. Or 3 times 2 is 6. 2 mountain climbers. 6 points. Man, that 30 seconds went quick. All right. Remember, you can choose the distance. If it's too hard, move it closer. Too easy, move it back. Let's stop my timer. All right, I got 6 points. You play and see if you can beat me. Have fun, and we'll see you later. Now it's your turn to take these activities and go practice on your own. Again, make sure you choose a safe space. All right, have fun and practice well. We'll see you soon. Bye.